Alright, it's Sunday morning. I've set up the entire course. And of course, as soon as it's finished, here comes lovely camera girl. Morning, sweetie.
Morning, honey. How are you?
Alright, you ready to go to work?
I am.
Alright, camera girl, otherwise known as my wife, Donna. You're looking very sharp this morning.
Thank you.
It's a little chilly out because, well, what was it, in the 50s this morning, so you got your full leathers on.
Yeah.
What do you got to tell the people about learning how to ride that motorcycle well?
Well, it's constant training and practice, I know that. Mastering the three techniques, clutch, throttle, rear brake, and of course your head and eyes are very important.
And what happens if, like, you're a little tiny girl? What do you do then? You can't possibly ride a big motorcycle well if you're a little tiny itty bitty. It's all size and strength, isn't it?
Size and strength has nothing to do, no bearing at all. It's mastering the three techniques. You can get on any motorcycle and ride it once you perfect your skills. It's always the skills.
And you realize that that's why you're here, to prove that.
Yes. People can't believe I can do it. I prove them every Sunday I can.
And we got Christmas coming up real soon. Why don't you tell the folks about the best combo special?
Oh, this is the best bang for your buck. We have our book and our 4 other DVDs plus the free bonus disc. It comes with our new Ride Like a Pro DVD, the practice guide, our shortcuts to riding like a pro, Surviving the Mean Streets 2, Ride Like a Pro on the Dragon, and then you get your free bonus disc that goes with the Dragon. So all that for $84.75, free priority shipping.
$84.75. We're gonna go broke if you sell them for that price.
No, it's the best bang. Everybody that orders just one, they call back the next week, said, "Oh, I should have got them all." And our book is very detailed, step by step. We have all the exercises laid out for you.
And of course, when they buy the combo special or any of the Ride Like a Pro DVDs, they get the practice guide as well, which shows you what?
How to set up your exercises step by step, how to start from the very beginning, follow them through. Don't jump from, say, "Oh, I got it, and I'm going to go to the U-turn." You must start at the very beginning with the slow race, then the slow cone weave.
That makes everything easier, doesn't it?
Yes, it certainly does.
And of course, we have the USB that has the 2 videos.
Yep. Our Surviving the Mean Streets 2 and our new Ride Like a Pro. 3 hours of training right here.
And how much is that?
That's $34.95.
All right, for all our friends and fans out there, happy holidays to you. Merry Christmas, happy Hanukkah. And you want to really learn to ride that motorcycle, well, if you're up north, you got all winter to do it.
Merry Christmas.
All right, Donna's going to do the perfect demonstration of the snowman. This guy's got it. Very nice tire placement. Beautiful. Beautiful. Tracking right alongside the cones as he should be. Way back over here she comes. She's showing them that you don't have to go inside the cone. If you can't make it, just go outside of it. You got all kinds of room. Nothing in the way. There's no force field there. Perfect demonstration as usual. Faster is better. Keep coming. Faster is better than slow. Way back here. Turn. Turn. Where you going? You making your own course? Are you like a rebel or something? You're saying, I don't have to listen to what that guy tells me. I'm going to go my own way.
Oh, I'm trying to listen. I'm trying to do it.
I know you are. I know you are.
I really am. Jesus Christ.
Turn. 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 Go around. Go around. Turn. Turn your head. Cut himself a little short there. Turn. Turn. Turn.